it's your girl Diamond. I'm back to bring you guys another video, of course, and you all know that it will be an unboxing video, so let's get right into this video. So let's continue with the Vans is Not Dead pack. Here's the second pair of old school Vans that I picked up out of that pack. These released in grade school sizes along with, I believe, either men's or women's. As I said in my other video, I'm gonna link it up above. Make sure you guys go and watch that video too. So these are a Foot Locker exclusive. They're unavailable on Vans.com. I haven't seen these anywhere else online but Foot Locker, Kids Foot Locker, Ladies Foot Locker. So you see the pattern, Foot Locker. These have a winter feel, but they also have a little pastel, which gives me a little springtime vibe, if you get what I'm saying. But love the black laces, of course. The black is my thing. Black is definitely my thing. So when you get to the toe box, it's this very soft yellow, and it's a herringbone pattern. I love that. The lace holes is a suede-ish material right here. Then you get into the very, very soft, it's like a very, very soft blue, maybe gray, but it's giving me blue vibes. So it's a very soft buffalo plaid right here. And then you have the baby pink on the back. You got the all leather Vans swoosh. I'm not sure if it's a swoosh on Vans. I don't think it is. But you got the Vans little, you know, little squiggly on the side. It's all leather. Then you have the leather sock lining right here. And of course you got the infamous Vans bottom. I love the Vans bottoms, like the little platformish looking bottoms. I love that. But as you can see, these are very jazzy. Like, I'm not sure why they named it Plaid is Not Dead. Plaid was never dead. Like, usually around this time, like fall time, winter time, that's when you see the most plaid. You might see a little plaid in the spring if you're feeling a little fancy. You might, you know, squeeze in a little you might squeeze in a little plaid during the springtime. Summer, I don't think summer's the time for plaid, but yeah. But always, plaid is always a good thing for the winter, the fall, you know, times like that. Plaid is popping. So not sure who said plaid was dead, but plaid definitely is not dead. But this is my last, well, let me not say last. This is my latest pair of Vans. Hopefully this is not my last pair of Vans for 2019. I love Vans this year. Like, Vans has really been stepping up their game and coming out with a lot of dope colorways. So if you guys have been sleeping on Vans, what are you doing? Like, for real, what are you doing? Vans, they popping. Like, Vans is really out here doing the damn thing with their colorways and stuff like that. But yeah, this is what the Plaid is Not Dead sneakers look like. Super cute. But if you guys like these, again, they'll be linked down below in the description box. UPS just pulled up. So thank you guys for watching my video, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video. So until next time, you guys already know, peace.